confident person. How? Try to speak loud.
First of all, my first lecture is about lecture which are my private course, open English, and
Okay. And what kind of difficulty do you feel? Letters. Okay.
First time coding for letters, we had long song and
Short songs.
First time I most difficult.
Doesn't it? Better always remember, nothing is impossible in this world. Nothing. You can do each and everything. Where? Just you have to do one thing, to take courage, to motivate yourself, to explain, to say, to represent yourself. And what is the basic and easiest way to represent yourself? We will talk today on this very topic. Clear? Today, I will teach you the remaining things as well. But most important thing that comes to the upper level. Today I will teach you how to introduce yourself. How to introduce yourself. Why? Because when we talk that there are 4 steps of learning English. Clear? First was that to know about letters. Clear? Which I told you, and I am obviously, I'm telling you and teaching you about the letters as well. When you can do any kind of a work, ultimately you have to pay some attention on that. Whatsoever I'm teaching you about the letters, it is very important for you to understand about them. Why? Because at your school level, those teachers taught you about the English. I'm telling about since your first class, a playgroup, up to matriculation level. Whatsoever had been taught to you, you just learned that without making its meanings clear. In another way, or in shortly, you made it up. Simple and straightforward. When we learn, remember, a person learns when he pays attention about hidden things of that lecture. Simple. Sure. Means what is the basic purpose of this? This is what we say, listening skill. This is the most important. When you listen, obviously you listen whenever you think that this information is very, very much interesting for you. Is it clear? So as far as the letters are concerned, when we talk about A, B, C, etc., up to Z,